And now let me introduce you the model range of reach trucks. There are two models, RT16P and RT20P, with lifting heights from 4.5 meter to 12.5 meter with half a meter increment. This model range was designed taking into consideration the feedback that we received for the previous model. The whole body was redesigned, taking into account all your opinions, from comfort point of view, from performance, from the reliability. The trucks are equipped with the mast, which is assembled to the chassis. That makes the procedure of mast assembling very simple, and our dealers are able to have in stock much more versions by simply having one truck body and several masts. With this, you can simply find the best solution for your end customers. The reach trucks are equipped with integrated side shift and fork tilting in standard configurations. The wheel, depending on the capacity, will have two different options: 285 mm for the 1.6 ton and 330 mm diameter for 2-ton version. The rollers of the mast carriage were significantly increased in diameter and now are able to withstand much higher forces. Also, we added additional eccentric rollers for the adjustment of the gap between the mast carriage rollers and the guides. The rollers of the mast carriage also have the integration with the side rollers, and these side rollers are able to be adjusted from outside. Also, I would like to pay your attention on the mast. It is much more narrower now and also has the clear field of view, and you can always see the forks from the operator's position. The space for the operator is much bigger, and floor area as well. It's about 20% bigger than before. The position of steering wheel is adjustable in two directions, and you can make the adjustment according to your preferences, in this direction or in this direction. The control panel is adjustable as well. You can move it higher or lower, or also move it back or forward. The hydraulic functions are controlled with help of fingertip joysticks. This joystick is for fork lifting and lowering, this is for mast moving forward and backward, and this is for fork tilting. Here we also have a switch for the selection of direction of movement, in front direction or in back direction. Here is the brake button. Here is the switch for the light. Here we have the switch for the side shift, and here is the horn button. Here at the front panel, you can find the button of selection for the steering type. It can be either 180 degree or 360 degree. The observation through the overhead guard and through the mast is very nice, and you can clearly see what I am doing in the racking system. For better control, we have the option of wireless camera. The camera is installed on the forks, and here in the cabin you can see the screen where the picture is displayed. The display has the high resolution, and you can clearly see all the details. Also, we have a mirror here and headlights. In standard configuration, our users will find here the courteous display. This display shows the position of drive wheel, and when you steer, of course, it will be changed. Also the status of the battery charge, your current speed, the condition of traction, hydraulic and steering system, and the speed mode. Here in the bottom you can see the amount of working hours, and if there will be something wrong with the system, here you can also find the fault code. For high performance, our customers can select the option of height pre-selection. In this case, this display will be moved to this side, and here will be the additional screen on which you can operate this function. The option of height pre-selection really can help you to increase the speed of load handling, and you can very fast lift the pallet to the desired height. The seat is adjustable. You can move it forward or backwards. Also, you can adjust the angle of backrest. We have as well the safety belt here. The high flex hydraulic hoses are used, which are made out of top quality material. This helps to ensure the long lifetime of the hydraulic system. The speed of mast moving in front and back direction is reduced in the beginning and in the end points in order to reduce the shake of the system and make the operation comfort higher. If you would like to take the battery out, You need to retract the mast completely. Move the lever. And then take the battery off. Optionally, we are ready to provide the compartment with rollers, and then you can change the battery sideways. All the hydraulic function has nice performance, and speed can be easily controlled. Here is the side shift for tilting, mast moving forward and backwards. Of course, all settings can be adjusted through the software. The control of truck is very smooth and precise. Here is the speed reduction in turns, and you can easily control all your movements. Look how easy to operate this machine. The steering is very smooth. The settings of steering system are also very nice. You can easily control all your movements and steer the truck to the desired position. Look how smooth the hydraulic functions are. Pay attention that there is no strike in the top position of the intersection. For easier maintenance, the seat can be removed to 170 degrees. Here you can see the key components of this truck. Sharp motors, driving one for the steering, in torque brake, KDS motor for the hydraulic system. Here we have also the filter for the oil. This truck is ready for production now, and you can place the orders. The height above 9.5 meters will require a little bit longer time and will be introduced shortly.